Nice question here, where we've got a square inside a regular pentagon inside a regular hexagon. And we're asked to find what a plus b plus c plus d is. So the first thing I did is just identify that we've got some right angles, and maybe they'll come in useful. And then I ignored the hexagon and focused on the pentagon. So a pentagon has its angles add to 540, it's 3 times 180. If we divide by 5, we get 108 for a regular pentagon. It's worth knowing that, to be fair, but we can always calculate it if we forget. Okay, so that means that this blue angle here, I can use the angles in a triangle, must be 72 minus c. And if I now look along the straight line, then these must add up to 180, so this angle here must be 18 plus c. This is again 108. So now I get 124, which means I'm going to have, sorry, not 124, it's going to be 126, which means that this is going to be 54 minus c. And I'm working my way around. So now I need to get this straight line to add to 180. So I need to think, what do I add 54 plus c to get 90? It's going to be 36 plus c. This is again 108. And I need another 36, but then 36 minus c for this angle here. So what I've just shown is that d is equal to 36 minus c. So it is necessarily true that c plus d is equal to 36. All right, and we're well on our way. So I'm now going to do exactly the same thing, but on the hexagon. New diagram to help show everything. So I can ignore, I think I can ignore the square now, but anyway, let's work in terms of A. So for a hexagon, a regular hexagon, the angles are all 120 because this is 4 times 180, which is 720 divided by 6. Again, useful to know that. That means that this angle here is going to be 60 minus A. But remember, that is 108 from before, so I just need another 12 to get to 180, but it's going to be 12 plus A. Right, this actually seems to be a bit quicker this time. They're closer together. So this is again 120. Now I need to think, what do I add to get 180? So I'm going to need this to be 48. So I've got 48 minus A here. And what that means is that B is equal to 48 minus A, which means A plus B is equal to 48. And therefore A plus B plus C plus D will equal 48 plus 36, which gives my final answer of 84 degrees.